So welcome guys, how to get a DA99 Dofollow developer backlink from google.com and app.com. That is from Google Play Store and Apple Store. Okay, so you're welcome to wordfollowlive.com. This is the thread. Depending on when you're getting this, you can use this keyword to search for this thread right from here. Okay, though if you're watching this video live from YouTube, I will drop a link straight to this thread. Okay, just click on it and you're good to go. Now you can get a Dofollow 99 Dofollow backlink for your website. Okay, but to do that you need to have a mobile application hosted live on Apple Store and Google Play Store. Okay, we all know that hosting on these two platforms is not free, while Google is affordable. Okay, Google with less than 25 US dollar, you can host your app forever, just one time payment. Then that of Apple Store, you need $99 every year. Okay, to host your site, $99. Then the developer, this thing is, it's about $250. Okay, although the gain, what you will gain from this outweigh the expenses. Okay, so it's part of investment, and this is one of the best backlink you can ever get for your site. In fact, live on this thread I did an example how facebook.com, one of the best social media out there, got a backlink from both of these platforms during his humble beginnings. Okay, so just follow this thread and you are good to go. Just follow the thread. Now some people may be saying they don't know how to develop a mobile app. To develop a mobile app is very easy. In fact, if you have an existing website, you can even convert your existing website to mobile app in less than 2 hours. I have also provided a solution to that, which is the AdMob Masterclass. Okay, you can just click on it and it will take you to night, and then you can purchase this kit, AdMob Masterclass. It will walk you on how to convert your existing website to a mobile app, or how to develop a fresh mobile app. Proceed to Google Play Store, host your site. Proceed to Apple Store, host your app. Okay, host your app on Google Play Store, host your app on Apple Play Store, and you have your what? You have your DA follow link, 99 DA follow link to your website. Okay, you will be getting two links. One will be going straight to your website, then the other will be going straight to your what? Your website private policy page. Okay, in both platforms, in both Google Play Store and Apple Store. That is the both link you're supposed to add on your description and where it is applicable. Okay, now apart from getting backlink, 99 Dofollow backlink from google.com and apple.com, with this AdMob Masterclass, you can also see how you can apply for AdMob, Google AdMob, and add ads listing, ads network on your mobile app hosted on this both platform. Thereby, you are not just investing to get backlinks, you are also investing to earn from AdMob network. Google will be paying you for advertising products and services live on your mobile app. Okay, you see, this is win-win. Should you have not joined wordfollowlive.com, you can sign up. Signing up is free. Okay, signing up is 100% free. Just enter your username, enter your email, enter your password, check this that you are a human being, you're not a bot, you understand? Then agree to the terms and conditions, click on this and you're good to go. Click on register, then it will send you a confirmation mail to your email address. The email address you provided, go to your email inbox and do what? Click it and you're on. You can comment, you can create a thread, you can even leverage the marketplace by listing your services and products live on wordfollowlive.com. I remain my humble self, Mbonowa, saying I hope this thread is cool. As I said, this is the title of the thread: how to get DA99 Dofollow developer backlink from google.com and apple.com. It's as easy as ABCD. Yes, you may need to pay for the hosting of the app, which is affordable. If you can't afford the one of Apple, you can start with Google. It's affordable, less than $25 is affordable for one time forever hosting, as long as the internet and Google app Play Station continue to live, and you don't go against their private policies. Your app will be there, okay, generating backlink for you, generating quality traffic for you, and if you apply for admon, also making you money. Thank you so much, and bye for now.